Go.
The Big Wave. Centuries ago, a boy named Kino lived in a farm with his family. Their house was located on top of the hill. Whenever he worked in the farm, he would complain that his house was too high to climb.
When will I ever reach home? I'm so hungry, and I want to eat my supper.
But after he had eaten at night, he was glad that he lived so high up because he could look down at the broad blue ocean at the foot of the mountain.
Oh, what a wonderful view!
Kino's father sells vegetables and rice at the small fishing village.
Please buy some of my vegetables. I planted these and cared for them by myself. I assure you, these vegetables are healthy.
There were houses in the village who were facing one another, and some houses near the sea have no windows. Kino often wondered why their houses were designed like this. He never knew until he came to know Kino.
Oh, hello. I'm Kino. I live in the house at the top of the hill.
Nice meeting you. I'm Gia. I live in the last house of this row of houses towards the ocean.
Why is your house inside with no windows? The sea is beautiful.
The sea is our enemy.
But why can you say that? Your father catches fish in the ocean and that is how you live.
The sea is our enemy. We all know it.
One hot sunny day, when Kino finished all his work, he ran down the beach to meet Gia.
Hey, Gia, let's swim on the beach.
Okay, sure.
So they threw out their clothes and jumped into the clear deep water and swam far out to a small one, which they considered their own. It was actually owned by an old man. The old man walked around distant trees in a silver gray robe with his kind and wrinkled face.
Is it okay to use it if Ella is asking?
It's fine. He never uses it himself. Only the sacred deer lives here.
The island was full of sacred deer. Sometimes Gia and Kino would feed them.
I'm not afraid of these deer. I know that they won't hurt us.
Yes, I know they won't hurt us.
Kino longed to sleep on the island some nights, but Gia was never willing. Even when they only spent the afternoon there, she looked up and over the sea.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking if this ocean will get angry.
The ocean will get angry to us.
Yes, it can. Sometimes the old ocean god begins to roll in his ocean bed and to heave up his head and shoulders, and the waves run back and forth. Then he stands straight, upright, and roars, and the earth shakes under the water.
But why he should be angry to us? We are only 2 children.
No one
And we did not do anything to him.
knows why the ocean god's angry.
But certainly the ocean was not angry this day. It just played and swam there, and no one was as happy as these 2 children.
Hey, hey, teach me how to thug it, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to thug it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I need town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody tryna do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies tryna screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day. Niggas love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck.
All my bitches love me, all my bitches love me, all my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck.
All my bitches love me, all my bitches love me, all my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
The name is Young.